So I happen to have the Matcha Green Tea Boba. It's a DIY, do-it-yourself. And pretty much excited because I get to do it myself. I don't really have to pay. This actually came from the Japanese crate box. I do not know how to read Japanese whatsoever, but I'm very, very good at figuring things out with images. So I'm going to open it, take out the containers and the straw. I'm going to pour in the packet, which is the boba, with the milk. I'm going to pour in a smaller packet. I'm going to use a straw to stir and drink. Okay, so let me go ahead and warm this milk up right quick because I'm feeling all warm inside. Yeah, I think warm will be better. I'm using rice strain. I don't drink cow's milk, or if I do, I might as well just put my mouth on a cow's nipple, which I'm not gonna do. So rice strain, oat milk, flax milk, soy. I always get soy when I go to Starbucks anyways, so that's cool with me. Let's go ahead and make this right quick. Got rice strain warming up on the stove. I took out this cup. I didn't know what to expect when I was doing this DIY. So I put the boba inside a cup. I opened up the matcha. Of course, I sprinkled on my hands. Put more of the matcha into the cup. Then I started using my left hand to go ahead and pour this milk. Who told me to do that? Because I'm not left-handed. Use my right hand like a pro. I went ahead and kept stirring and stirring. And I was like, you know what? I cannot wait till I try this out, bruh. Put more cold milk into it because I burned my tongue and the roof of my mouth. Now that it's finished, bon appetit.